Struggling with your training? Ready to transform it? From boring to interactive, engaging, imagine, experience, connect, unlocking immersive learning as a value driver. From scattered and disorganized to a well-structured curriculum, a thoughtfully designed learning framework that ensures clarity, engagement, and real-world impact. From low completion rates to maximizing ROI on training, transforming disengaged learners into active participants who complete courses, apply their knowledge, and drive real business results. Here's the key. Let's unlock the world of immersive learning. Your learning journey is now streaming on CC Flix, an immersive, game-changing experience designed to boost your skills and career like never before. Imagine training that feels more like binge-watching your favorite series than sitting through another dull course. With CC Flix, you get engaging storytelling. Follow relatable characters through real-world challenges and decisions. Gamified learning. Earn points, unlock levels, and complete challenges as you progress. Skill acceleration. Master new concepts faster through immersive role-play and simulations. Entertaining yet effective. A perfect blend of fun and learning that keeps you engaged and drives real results. Say goodbye to dull, forgettable training. SeekFlix makes learning interactive, rewarding, and impactful. Struggling with low engagement and completion rates? Transform your training with us, where learning meets storytelling, gamification, and real-world impact. Boost learner engagement, improve knowledge retention, drive measurable results. Ready to level up?